Are you tired of your old, outdated floors? Are you ready for a change that will transform your space and bring it to life? We'll show you the incredible difference this shore drift oak flooring can make in your home. But before we dive into this incredible transformation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss what we've got lined up for you next. In this video, we're installing the beautiful shore drift oak throughout the entire ground floor. It has a thickness of 14 mil and a width of 90 mil and a length of 450 mil. Here, we'll start from the living room. Our expert fitter opens each box to set the A and B planks aside. In herringbone flooring, A and B planks ensure correct orientation and precise installation of the pattern. They often have opposite tongue and groove configurations, allowing them to interlock perfectly. This labeling simplifies the process, ensuring consistent alignment and a flawless design. Let's move to the process of gluing down engineered flooring. The Gluedown method is a reliable option for securing your floor, especially on concrete or when you want a solid, permanent installation. Make sure the glue is spread uniformly, avoiding gaps and bubbles. An even distribution of glue using a tool to spread it creates a visually satisfying step to this process. As you install the flooring, you'll need to cut some planks to fit around walls, doorways, and other obstacles. A chop saw, jigsaw, or table saw are effective tools for making these precise cuts. And then we apply the glue again. Sliding each plank in properly, you make sure the floor is secure and durable. This helps create a long-lasting, professional-looking finish. Once the plank is correctly positioned, press it firmly into the adhesive. Apply even pressure across the entire plank to ensure it bonds fully with the subfloor. This step is key to preventing any movement or lifting as the adhesive cures. When installing flooring, you often need to cut planks to fit around corners. We mark the line and use the chop saw to make sure we get the precise cut. Press the plank firmly into the adhesive, ensuring it makes full contact with the subfloor. Use a rubber mallet and tapping block to secure it if necessary. And leave enough expansion gap on the edges, but not too much where your skirting board or beading won't be able to cover it. Cutting and fitting planks around corners can be challenging, but it is a key part of a successful flooring installation. By following these steps, you ensure a clean, professional finish that fits well in every corner of your room. If you would like to view our products, you can visit our showrooms in Birmingham and Wolverhampton, or order samples from our website and we'll deliver them straight to you. Don't stop watching the video just yet, because soon you'll see an impressive transformation. Beside the living room, we've also improved other areas of the house as well, so keep watching. Look at that! The results are truly impressive and amazing. It looks smooth and neat too. We're now moving on to another area of the house where the same flooring process is applied. And here's the final result. The flooring is now installed with a smooth, professional finish. This not only enhances the look of your home, but also ensures durability and comfort. Thanks for watching our flooring installation guide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and flooring guides. Also, don't forget to visit our website to check out our full range of flooring products. See you in the next video!